Welcome to today's IT Talk moment. I'm Jyoti and we are going to explore together the opportunities in uncertainties for you all, with you all. And there is an opportunity for all you guys that you guys can avail, and the platform, as you can see, is Coursera. Coursera has come up with new addition to their platform, that is try a guided project for free, and this is free only till 12th of June. Today is 2nd June, so make sure that you guys make utilization of this opportunity. We will discuss how we can register and what guided project actually means. सारी चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे one by one, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So because of the recent situation, many companies are coming up with their online internships, and Coursera, Udemy, all these platforms are coming up with free courses wherein बहुत सारे courses जो paid होते थे अब वो भी free में available किए जा रहे हैं, because the students are willing to learn and they are getting more traffic to their website. Of course, they are also earning really well during this period. So they have come up with this amazing idea. उनके पास instructors हैं, उनके पास students का traffic है, तो दोनों एक साथ में इस platform को use कर सकते हैं, and both will have this experience ki this person worked on a project under this person, and this person can also show, the instructor can also show that yes, during this lockdown period I actually guided these many students. So फायदा सबका है, राइट? सो आपका फायदा इस ड्यूरेशन में क्या है कि ये 12th जून तक फ्री में है, एंड using one account you can avail only one free project. So let me just explore for you all कि क्या categories है, कैसे register करेंगे, what will be the levels, what is the eligibility criteria, if you will get a certificate or not, basic questions that you guys have all the time. तो हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे. तो डेटा साइंस इज वन कैटेगरी जिससे रिलेटेड देर आर मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट आर लाइव, and then business related projects are also there. Computer science and IT related courses are also there. Now so many people might ask if they are eligible for all the projects, तो वो भी हम देखते हैं. For example, I'll click on the create your first Python program, and okay, as you click on this आपके पास सारी details आ जाएगी. Of course that this is a 2-hour project and it is in English, beginner level, no download needed. So yes, because there are different skills that you learn, हर skill से related आपको different executions के लिए softwares download करने पड़ते हैं. The fact that everything will be available on your cloud desktop, you need not download each and every software, which is a very good thing. As we scroll down हमें सारी details मिल जाएगी about the course. And how guided projects work is basically your workspace is a cloud desktop right in your browser. No download is required. In a split screen video, your instructor guides you step by step. I mean, this is an amazing thing, and he's going to be the instructor for the Python project, Amit Yadav, and obviously you can see the ratings, and he already has 30,000 learners under him, which is a great thing. जैसा मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बोला कि सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स जरूरी नहीं है बिगिनर लेवल के होंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी चूज डेटा साइंस रिलेटेड कोर्स, लेट्स सी कंप्यूटर विजन. So if we choose this one, you will see यहाँ पे intermediate level लिखा है, not beginner level. So this is where your instructor will walk you through step by step. So don't you think that this is an amazing thing that Coursera has come up with? After 12th of June, the prices might also increase because उन्होंने एक pilot program जैसे होता है उसी तरीके से देखा था that how it works or not, and it has worked pretty well, because if we see and check, every course has got reviews and ratings already in the number of 700, 400, 200. हर एक कोर्स को लोगों ने किया है. That means of course the traffic is higher. They are going to continue providing valuable courses, but then again ये free वाली opportunity नहीं होगी. Now the most asked question that where and how do I get the certificate? तो सर्टिफिकेट के लिए once you complete a project जिसमें भी आपको इंटरेस्ट है, उसके बाद में आप जाके My Achievement टैब पे जाओगे. Your learner profile should already be there. उसके लिए just normally you need to sign in, and My Achievements में जाके you will be able to find the details of the project जो भी आपने complete किए हैं. उसके बाद just verify your email and your name, and you will be able to download your certificate. So that's about it. Yes, if you want to know more about such opportunities and analyze along with me about the recent happenings, you can always consider subscribing to my channel. If you found the video useful, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, and if you want me to discuss about something specific in detail, let me know in the comment section. And comment section is open for you all to discuss anything and everything that you want to discuss about. So with this, I would like to end today's video here, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.